Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can enable battery protection in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to battery. From here you will see battery protection. Tap on it and turn this on. Now, it has three features: basic, adaptive and maximum. So let me explain you. The basic is basic charging. And the adaptive feature is, let's say you want to leave for your college at 7:30 in morning and you put your mobile at charging. Now it will charge only 80% and it will start recharging again at 7 p.m. So when the time you leave at 7:30, your mobile will be 100% charged. This option helps us to protect battery. And the last feature is maximum. From here you can set at where your mobile will max charge. Let's say I select 80%, so my mobile will charge to maximum 80%. After that it will stop charging. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.